Arĩ njĩra ĩmwe ya kũgacĩrithia ũrĩmi wa macani, rĩu thirikari ya kaunti ya Kericho nĩ ĩthiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo ĩnengeranĩte makĩria ma mbegũ 400,000 kũrĩ arĩmi mwena ũcio. Kũringana na mwandĩki mũkaru thĩinĩ wa ministry ya ũrĩmi gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ Ndagĩtarĩ Paul Rono, athiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo akiuga atĩ thirikari ĩrĩ mũhari-inĩ wa mbere harĩ gũtigĩrĩra atĩ ũhoro wĩgiĩ ũrĩmi wa macani nĩ wakorwo ũgĩteithĩrĩria ona ningĩ mũrĩmi wa mũmera ũyũ.
As we pursue this issue of tea, we have also, as a ministry, work with these institutions so that we can solve some critical problems that this sector is facing. Especially now we have a disease called tea mosquito, which is attacking the old tea bushes. And these institutions have come up with new varieties of tea seedlings, which can really resist such kind of disease and pests. And as we are here, we are flagging off today 400,000 tea seedlings which the government have invested, so that they are given to farmers of tea to really address the issue of the problem the tea sector is facing on the tea mosquito, whereby you have some tea failing in the farms just because of that particular pest. And as we fight with the pest and try to really address it through the various means, one of the key long-term address is also to replace some of those tea bushes to more resistant tea plants, which are well researched. And I'm happy this institution has come up with a new brand or new clone or new variety of tea.
Its crop improvement management has developed 62 tea varieties that are suitable for growing also across the regions in the east of Rift and the west of Rift. And we have done this through collaboration with our stakeholders, the KTDA, to do clonal adaptability trials in farmers' farms, so that we can implement what we have developed. We can upscale what we have developed in terms of farmers uptaking our technologies through planting of the new tea varieties that are high yielding, pest resistant, they are climate smart, and so that the farmer can have value for money.